We are here today in this Schuber Mitchell home, and I am standing in the kitchen. Lots of nice features, as you can tell from just behind me. I can't wait to show you the island that's in front of me. But before we do that, let's step outside. I'll tell you a little bit more about this builder and about this home. Thank you to Schuber Mitchell in Centerton, Arkansas for allowing us to bring you this home tour today of the Sherry model. It comes in at 2,564 square feet. It features a formal dining room, a spacious family area, and plenty of room to play and dine. The primary suite includes 2 bathroom vanities, walk-in closets, and a separate tub and shower. Also a brick fireplace in the living area and granite countertops in the kitchen. Schuber Mitchell offers this home with 4 sides of luxury exterior finishes such as the stone and the brick. It's also fully guttered and it has heritage shingles. It also comes with a 10-year structural and a 2-year builder warranty. I love the details like the brick eyebrow above the entryway here. Let's go ahead and step inside. As soon as you enter this home, you are in a nice wide entryway, and it has a dining room to the left. Let's walk in there and take a look. More of a formal dining room, whereas the previous home that we toured of theirs, it had more of just a side area to put a dining room table, but this has more of that formal setting. Love the light fixture. Plenty of room for a good sized table. They've got a table here that seats at least 6 people. And you've got 2 big windows, crown molding. Don't know if the video is picking up the molding that much, but it's there. And then coming from another viewpoint of the entryway, here we are again, nice and wide, gives you a very welcoming and open and spacious feeling as soon as you walk in. Then we have an open floor plan with the kitchen and living room together. Okay, going into the kitchen, we have a nice wide space. This island is not only spacious, but it's also beautiful with a marble-like finish with some gold touches in it. Plenty of shelving in the front here. You've got an apron sink. Nice fixtures. And a dishwasher built into the center there. Then we have more shelving and enough room for 4 people on the opposite side. 3 fun light fixtures. And then the kitchen has a nice hood vent, a gas range. I love a gas range. I want to cook on that or nothing at all. And then we've got a built-in microwave and oven. You've got the contemporary looking white backsplash that is really popular. And it of course goes beautifully with these countertops that are mostly all white with a little bit of gold and a little bit of cream colored mixed in. And then a pretty nice size U-shaped pantry, plenty of shelf space in there. I love these 5-panel doors. It gives it kind of an older look, like a reminiscent of vintage doors. You've got nice headers, and that's going into the laundry room. It sounds like someone is on a call in there, so I'm going to avoid that room for right now, but we'll go ahead and head towards the living room. But before we do, let's circle back around and take a good look at this space. As I said, there's room for 4 people to sit at the island. And then again, as we saw in their last home, they have a great area built in for a coffee bar, which who doesn't love that? That's how I start every morning. So the living room has a brick fireplace, nice little hearth to sit down, really thick trim work, crown molding. The baseboards and the crown molding are about the same size. And then you've got a great area to put a large television above the fireplace if that's what you wanted to do. Maybe a piece of pretty artwork there. I love these 2 items on the wall. Those are cool. And then over here you have plenty of space for another piece of furniture, maybe a buffet there, a china cabinet, all kinds of options, but they did a great choice there. And it looks like Jesus leading his sheep. You know, I love that. Okay, so these bedrooms are divided by their own hallway, which I think is a really nice touch. And let's go on down to the front of the house first. So here we are in bedroom number 1. Really nice sized bedroom. Decorated very cool, I must say. Great job to the decor team at Schuber Mitchell. They must have a great interior designer that really puts these pieces together well. You have a little kick-out area there that is great for extra seating. And then you have double closet doors here that open up into a pretty good sized closet there. Again, we have the multi-panel doors all throughout the house, and they just look really cool to me. They have a lot of character. How about that old radio? That's pretty neat. World Monitor, it says. Giving you just another look at this bedroom. And then we have the arched window that we saw at the front of the house goes to this bedroom. As we go back out and down the hall, there is a little linen closet here. Those types of touches really makes it easy to make a house a home. And then we have a nice bathroom here with a tub and shower combo. Here we see the bronze oil rubbed fixtures. I love those. Always one of my favorite. I thought I would stay with that until I died, but I'm kind of loving the gold being back. And then swinging back around, we have a nice size sink, but it has one sink in it, which really is all you need in my opinion. I'll swing you back around and give you another look of that room. And then we come into bedroom number 2. Again, this is a nice sized bedroom. It has a walk-in closet. One window there. And here is the closet for this room. There's plenty enough room for a dresser, a bed, and again, a little sitting corner, a good place to stop and read a book or something. These homes are energy efficient. They have LED lighting and low energy windows. They also have a 15 SEER HVAC. Now we're going into bedroom number 3, which also has its own little hallway before you get to the bedroom. I think that's a really nice touch, and what a cute bedroom for a little girl. This is giving me all kinds of ideas to redo my daughter's bedroom. I love this look. Got some Adele, and of course the kids want the record players. My daughter wanted to buy a record player a record the other day, and I said, you don't even have a record player. But she said that she wanted to decorate her wall with it. So I see that she is not alone in that. This room has not only enough room for a full-size bed, but also there is like a dresser piece in here, and then a couch. There's plenty of room. It's very spacious. And then it has a walk-in closet. We've got some built-in shelving. And again, those energy efficient windows. Here is the bathroom for this bedroom. Again, we see the gray. Looks like someone's been checking out the drawers. You have a tub and shower surround again. With the bronze oil rubbed fixtures. I'm sure that a teenager would love having their own bathroom and even their own hallway, give them a little bit of extra privacy there. Okay, so we're back in the living room. You've got a patio just off the living room, and directly across from the patio we have our primary bedroom, which we'll go to in just a second. Let's step out on the patio and take a look. There's the rocking chairs. My favorite way to sit outside is to sit and rock. And then look what they've done with this space here. You've got your own putting green. How fun is that? Outdoor fireplace. And then you also have the covered area, which is really nice to have a place to sit, get some shade. If you want to sit outside on a rainy day, you can do that. And then we'll go back in. I love that it has easy access not only to the living room, but also to the primary bedroom. Okay, the primary bedroom is painted a nice gray color. I love that. To me, it feels really warm and cozy. I like color on the wall. We've got a nice vaulted ceiling with ceiling fans. Nice thick crown molding. It's painted in the white, really makes it pop against the gray. Again, there's plenty of room for a seating area. You've got your dresser in here, and then you have access to the primary bathroom. It has 2 separate sink areas, which I think is also a nice touch. You can do the area for the husband and for the wife. And almost just right in between them, you have your soaking tub. A large privacy window there. And then here we have a private water closet. Again, we're seeing the bronze oil rubbed finish, and let me know, what is your favorite type of finish? I've been seeing a lot of the brushed gold, kind of a dusty gold, but also seeing the bronze oil rubbed and not really seeing much silver at all. So you've got a big walk-in closet, and then you've got your shower with a glass shower door, also in the bronze finish. And then similar to the kitchen island look that we've got here, but a little bit different. It really doesn't have the gold tones in it, more of gray and white. Very nice. Big bathroom. I went into one of these homes in Joplin, Missouri, and it was set up very similar to this as well. I remember the bathroom being like this, and I just thought it was a really nice layout for a bathroom, because as we step through the bathroom, the soaking tub is right behind me, and then you have double doors that enter into this giant closet, which, like we saw in the last home, also joins with the laundry room. And then what would be the garage, I believe, in this home is used as an office for the staff here, so that's what we have right through that room. The other house in Joplin was laid out a little bit differently. The kitchen was on this wall, so I'm sure that they can really flip these options around and give you all kinds of different layouts. Stay tuned to the end of this video and I will insert the floor plan. Again, the name of this model is Sherry. And if you have any questions about this home or about this builder who builds in Southwest Missouri, Northwest Arkansas, and Northeast Oklahoma, I will put their contact information in the description section of this video, so be sure to check that out for further information on this home plan or any of the plans that they have available. Well, thank you for joining me here for another great video. And if you like this sort of video, would you consider not only hitting that like bell, but also would you hit subscribe and then hit that bell icon, and that will let you know when we upload new videos. Until next time, God bless.